Now Kalangut has totally been destroyed. Drugs, prostitution, जे इतलें असं पळोवंक नासलें असलें Kalangut सदांच. I have been talking in the assembly. Now आतां पळय जालां, people in Kalangut are sending videos on social media that Kalangut has become the Bangkok of India म्हणून. And केन्नाय रातचे वयशी openly. And this is done in front of businesses belonging to the ruling party MLAs. Drugs. आता Kalangutan sharpshooters धरलेले आहात. It was never heard of. 6 sharpshooters come and stay in Kalangut. And this is under the BJP government.
Daily dacoities, daily murders, daily thefts, and daily loss of lives for various reasons. And आता the latest is sharpshooters being caught in Goa for some sort of a supari that is being investigated now. तो sharpshooter धरल्या त्या कॉन्टेक्स्टान कालांगूट MLA मायकल लोबो ताणें वक्तव्य केलां की ताजे कडेन लिस्ट ऑफ पुलीस ऑफिसर्स आसा जे तो DGPक सबमीट करतलो म्हणून हू आर ऑल्सो इनवॉल्वड. ते लिस्ट तो पब्लीक कित्याक करना? ते पुलीस ऑफिसर जर कोण इनवॉल्वड आसा जाल्यार तांकां तूं प्रोटेक्ट कित्याक करता? Reveal it to the people. Let people know who are the police officers. Why are you speaking to the press and leaving it there? Speak to the press. Disclose the names. Tell the people who those police officers are. And take action. You are in government. Don't forget, you are the deputy speaker. You are an MLA. And you are in the ruling. And such incidents are happening. And he is not speaking. He is not making statements. As Home Minister, sharpshooters are being caught in your state. Your ruling MLA says that girls are not safe. Your ruling MLA says, I got a list of police officers who are involved in such things. And Home Minister is quiet. What is this Home Minister doing? Home Minister should wake up from his slumber and he should answer the people. Goa under BJP looks like is hitting rock bottom in law and order, and BJP government is being a mute spectator, and by this act they are perpetrating Goa to be a crime capital, which Congress will never allow.
Youth who died at Bagator due to drug overdose. I'm assembling the raise Korita issue. This is the failure on part of the government. The law and order machinery has failed. Law and order but issue we have raised it in the assembly. Assembly we put questions, and he said there are no drugs in colleges. I have filed a breach of privilege on this reply. Assembly to action gena. What he wants to make out of Goa, Manor Parrikar, I want to ask him. He is the Home Minister. I want to ask Manor Parrikar one question: what he wants to make out of Goa? It is total failure on part of the government machinery as far as law and order concerned. We strongly condemn this. It is a duty of the opposition party to bring it to the notice of the government, which we have brought. Still no action is taken. It is time when we have to come on the road and we have to take actions on these fellows. This is going to be the state of affairs. We are making a clarion call to the government. Take action on all these fellows. Drugs पडा इतली free flow केन्ना जावं ना. Congress म्हणटाले ते आमगेले they were saying that our party was the most corrupt party. It looks like they are not taking money to allow all this rampant destruction as far as drug is concerned. So we are calling on the government to do it or we face action from our party. एकलोय मनशाक ताका नेम करूं कोण हुंचे स्कॅमान right from तुगेले right from Miramar sex scandal to power scam, to mining scam, to all the scam Manor Parrikaran आज पासून एकल्या दवरूं मेळना कित्याक तोय कमिना दाम दिलो. After making a statement, what he has done, whether he has contacted Michael to ask, whether he has asked the Home Minister, whether he contacted the IGP, has he taken a high level meeting? Tarun Tejpalak high level meeting गेलो तेणी ताका भिदोडोवपाक. ते भाशेन आज मिटींग गेल काय विचार ताका. तरुण तेजपाला ताका भिदोडोवपाक सारक्यो मिटिंग्यो जजीन रात 8 पासून जजमेंट दिल्लो पूण हे केसीन 8 पासून जजमेंट जायना मनोहर पर्रीकरा कडेन. कित्याक डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर जावन चड शिकला आनी येयल म्हूण करपाक म्हणजे